Hi, this is Ian at Zing Drone Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how the Zscan Mini works. So we're going to show you a few of the features and functionality of this mini drone detection device. So I'm going to turn it on now, and once it's on, you'll see the light turn to a green color. And so once that light is green, the device is on. This device can, once it's at a full charge, stay online for 8 hours. And it can also be plugged in via USB to keep it on permanently. So let's go ahead and get started. I've got a DJI FPV drone here. This DJI FPV drone broadcasts remote ID over Wi-Fi. And so the key thing about the Zscan Mini is it's looking for all remote ID packets, all types. There's Wi-Fi remote ID and there's Bluetooth remote ID. So you may be familiar with drone scanning apps, similarly like on an iPhone. So the problem is that iPhones can only pick up Bluetooth 4 remote ID. So Bluetooth 4 remote ID is a very short range form of remote ID. It can only go to about 100 meters. And what the Zscan device does is the first feature is it acts as a bridge. So any Wi-Fi remote ID this picks up, or Bluetooth 5 remote ID, which is a longer range 1 kilometer form of remote ID, this device can repeat it into an iPhone. So this phone basically acts as one of the user interfaces. So you can download an app like Drone Scanner, and on the iPhone, now you can see all different types of remote ID on this phone. So to get started here, I'll show you once we spin up the propellers. I'm actually going to turn the Zscan Mini off, and then we'll look at the iPhone and see that the iPhone is actually not able to pick up this DJI drone. So if you look here on the phone, you can see that there are currently 0 drones detected. And that's because this drone is broadcasting Wi-Fi remote ID, which iPhones can't pick up. And all DJI drones actually broadcast that form of remote ID. So I'll turn on the Zscan Mini. Okay, so on this device here, you can see that once I turn this on, it's actually flashing blue, and that flashing blue indicates that it's detecting the Wi-Fi remote ID from this DJI drone here. And now, if we go to the phone, we can also see that now you can see a DJI FPV drone with the remote ID serial number. So that Zscan Mini has effectively acted as a bridge. So now you can see all the Wi-Fi remote ID drones that the Zscan Mini is detecting. So you can, if you want to zoom up on this Zscan Mini here, you can see it turning blue, detecting that remote ID, Wi-Fi remote ID signal. So now, if I take off here. So this Zscan Mini, you can see it's still flashing blue here. This is detecting the remote ID signal, which contains the drone's live location, its altitude, its velocity, and it also contains the pilot's location in real time. So all of that is being retransmitted to this iPhone. And not only that, this Zscan Mini, the Zscan Mini actually has a SIM card in it. So all of the detection data is going to the cloud and is visible on the Zscan user interface, which is what we'll show you next. Okay, so here is the mobile view of the Zscan Mini user interface. You can see once we sign up here, we are able to access this 3D map that shows all of the live and historical drone data. first thing we're going to do here is register the Zscan Mini. So we're going to be entering a serial number of the device right now. So our device is Zscan 1019. Once this is registered to your account, you'll be able to see that activity. So immediately we can actually see two drones that the Zscan Mini is detecting. One is 2 miles away and the other is 4.5 miles away. And those are both DJI drones. One's an FPV and the other is an Avata that just happened to be flying at the same time. Last thing is you can see the pilot location here. Click that link and you go to a live Google Maps view of that pilot location. And then here on the desktop view, this can also be viewed on the mobile, but we're playing back a drone flight from earlier today. So all of those drones that were seen by the system can be played back and viewed at any time. So these historical logs are saved for you to see all those historical drone flights that happened that day. And then we'll also check again on the desktop view that live location of the pilot. So even on the playback, you can see exactly.
Fun.
And just to give you an idea of the range of the Zscan Mini, we are tracking a drone currently 4.5 miles away at the top of that mountain. So the Zscan Mini is the perfect tool to use to track drones. It's portable, it's easy to use, plug and play, and it can be installed in vehicles by attaching the USB inside of the vehicle, or it can be a handheld type system. And all of the drone activity that you track with this Zscan anywhere in the vicinity will be logged on that Zscan or the Zing Mini portal. And so this is available to ship now from our website, zingdrones.com. So check it out and let us know what you think down below in the comments. Thank you.